Hello and welcome to Code Harvest. In this video, I'll be demonstrating step by step how you can create a carousel that never stops, even at the beginning and end points, and we are going to be using JavaScript to help us achieve this. Subscribe to Code Harvest if you've not already, and now let's start the video. Alright, so now once you have created the HTML file, we already included the document type, the language we're going to be writing the HTML file in, the HTML code in, the required meta tags, the title, the name of the website, we've called it Rosalines, and once you've already linked in your style sheet as well as your JavaScript file, which right now they're completely empty, though we're going to be adding the code in soon. We're going to start with the HTML side of our slider. First, we are going to create an ID, and we're going to call this slider. So this will basically act as a container which will hold everything of the carousel. It will hold in the buttons that will move the slider from left to right, and we're also going to be adding the container that will contain all of the slide boxes, all of the slides. So now first we're going to create our two buttons for previous and for next. And right now, since we're only focusing on the creation of the carousel, we're not focusing on the design, we'll just add in arrow. So this one is going to be called previous button. So we're going to create a class, and now these two buttons should pretty much have the same design. However, they're just going to have different functionalities, so we're just going to put them both as the same class slide button. However, this one specifically is called the previous button, and then this one will be called next, and we'll just switch the arrows. Now in between these two buttons, we're going to add in the container that will hold all of the slide boxes. So we're going to create an ID for this, and it's going to be called all slides, any name that you'd like, and then we are going to now create all of the slide boxes from 1 to 10. So now we've included all of our slide boxes and our buttons all together.